Take a ride in the 2025 Blazer. Chevrolet Blazer is fun to drive around town, comfortable to ride in, and decently capable off-road. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.